Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies in the microwave without flour. Start by creaming butter and sugar, then mix an egg, vanilla, and a cup of almond or oat flour substitute. Add a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, stir until smooth, scoop onto a microwave-safe plate, and cook in short bursts until set and lightly golden. Cool briefly before enjoying warm cookies. Use high-quality vanilla and properly measured almond or oat flour for best results. If dough seems too dry, add a teaspoon of milk or a splash of oil rather than more flour substitute. For sweeter cookies, increase sugar by a tablespoon, and for softer texture, reduce microwave time slightly. Chill shaped dough briefly for neater edges, then microwave on low-power bursts to avoid toughening the cookies and to keep them tender and soft. Microwaves vary, so always test with one cookie first to find ideal time. Place cookies on a microwave-safe plate and use short 20 to 30-second bursts, checking and rotating between bursts. Avoid high power for long periods to prevent rubbery texture and over-browning. Let cookies stand on the plate for a minute after cooking so residual heat finishes them gently, then transfer to a rack to cool to desired serving temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.